Hi, and welcome back. Here we're going to be opening up this Mini GT. It's a BMW M4 by, it's got Liberty Walk done on it. It's by Mini GT, I was going to say. It's red with copper wheels. I think the copper wheels look really nice with this red. It's a really nice color scheme. They've not overdone the amount of decals on this with the Liberty Walk. It's just got the perfect touch to it. Liberty Walk down the rear fender panels on both sides. It's got a rear window on the side. Liberty Walk, very nice. Liberty Performance on the front and on the front of the bumper. Nice back end also with the Liberty Walk. And it's got inserts for headlights and tail lights. They've done very nice with the roof of this thing with the carbon fiber. There's a long ways or a long distance shot. Looks really, really good. I think they've done really well with this thing. That's the show. I'll catch you guys tomorrow on Tuner Tuesday. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day out there. See you on the next episode.